Hey guys, it's me. So, I think I need to explain to you what my ideas were on making this. So, I have a small car. It's a Toyota Yaris, and it pulled a 5x10 cargo trailer, and it pulled it 2,700 miles. That was about 3 years ago, and then anyways, I bought a smaller one and traveled back across the country. That was a 4x3 trailer, and then I'm like, hey, my car does good, pulling weight. So anyway, so I bought this trailer that you saw in the video previously. It's a 4x8. Anyway, so I wanted it to be bigger or wider because I wanted to put the bed in the back, going my head over here and my feet over here. So I just went, I'm gonna go up. That's why I only put the in the insulation up to this point, because I'm gonna then put a ledge here, and then I'm gonna have some supports, and then I'm gonna go up, and then excuse me, I'm gonna go up and then across, and then so this is 20 inches, or about 23 inches, and then this, I figured I can make it up to 55 inches up here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pop-up. So this going across here is going to be something that's going to pop up about 12 inches. So I'll have so much headroom. Anyways, I have my fabric on its way, my canvas that I'm going to put in there. So this is the back, and of course that's the door right there. This is from the side. So there's the back where the door is. And I figured, see, here's where the bed's gonna go from left to right. I figured if I make it go out a little bit and then go back, like angle it, that when I'm towing it, the air will it'll be a little bit easier than just a flat back. So, and plus it'll give me a little bit of room here, a little bit more room for my bed to go in there. So anyway, and then there's of course the pop top right there, and the pop top's gonna be probably about 3.5 feet. Wait. Yeah, so, well, this is 4 feet from here to here. So, actually, it's going to be 4 feet by, and then and this is 8 feet. So, maybe 4 by 7.5. So, and then I put a little diagram here. Sorry for my finger to be in the camera, but the top is here, and then I'm gonna have some L brackets, aluminum L brackets, and it's gonna fit over the bottom L bracket like that. So I think that's pretty cool. I saw that on a video, and I think it's doable. So, and then maybe I can have a little bit of advice, but I'm trying to keep it as light as possible. But this is the back where the door is. Oh, is that upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Sorry. So the door is right here, the door opening. Sorry I'm so jiggly, but anyway, so the door opening is right here, and then I have all of this is just the framing. So if anyone has any ideas how to make it strong, do you think it's gonna fall apart on me? like these angle parts right here. I guess angles make it stronger, but anyone who builds out there, let me know, because I just don't want it to fall apart when I'm driving down the road. And these are the little 2x4s the guy I bought it from put on, so that's why I put those there. But anyway, that's my idea. I think it's pretty cool. I love it. So we'll see. So I'll keep you updated. I'll be working on it probably every weekend until I get it finished. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.